Hi and welcome back to another Drift Cars Japan video. Finally, my Mugen replica wing has arrived. I've been waiting for this for about 2 months. We've had cancelled orders, reorders, and I thought I'd show an unboxing video and we'll have a quick look at how well it actually fits. So that's obviously the blade. I've taken the old spoiler off so we can chuck it on and see how good the fitment is. Now I did quickly open it because when it arrived the box was bent like this and I thought, don't tell me it's broken, because I wasn't sure whether the wing part was actually fixed or not. Luckily it wasn't. Yeah, I was a bit concerned that it was damaged, but once it actually got sent, this is from Taiwan. It only took a week. I'll put a link in the description of where I bought it from. It turned out to be 654 Australian dollars. So there's the wing there. Comes with all the mounting screws. It doesn't look too bad so far. So we'll sit that on, see what it fits like. This is always the bit which determines whether it's a good purchase or not. Now if you sit it where it's supposed to hook on, there's all years and years of dirt which I've sort of cleaned up the best I can on it. I'll sit it a bit forward over that side. The fit doesn't seem to be too bad. Needs a little bit of finishing here. It's not perfectly straight around through the edges there. Where the Mugen badge goes, or Mugen badge, it's a little bit funny in the fiberglass there. I wish I actually just left that blank, because it's a replica spoiler. I'd rather it not to actually have anything written on it, but it fits pretty well. I don't know if you can see that in the shots, but it's nice and tight down the side there. It's not got a huge gap or anything like that. Sits tight to the windscreen. I'll just stop that there and I'll get it bolted up and put a couple of bolts in it. We'll actually see how well it's fitting. Now you just got to swap over these little brackets on the ends. It's the only bit I can see that we have to swap over. Everything else is just bolt on. Okay, we've got it fitted up. Looks pretty good. The fitting between here and the blade on the spoiler is not probably the best. Like you can sort of see where the spoiler dips down through there and it doesn't follow there, but that can be sanded. Same with this piece through here. But apart from that, like the fitting up underneath here is nice and tight to the actual plastic window, and down through here sits really well. You can see here, like it gaps out a little bit there, but it's tight up against the glass, so that could probably have gone a bit more to a point there rather than where they've sanded it off. But it just needs a good sand and just to finish it off a little bit. It probably just needs a little bit more love put into it. Now it comes with the comes with the Mugen badges, comes with a stainless bolt fitting kit, which is good. Everything seemed to line up pretty well up underneath where I mounted it. Basically you just retain your original 10 mils through the side there. You've got to take the bracket off your other spoiler, and then the rest are just these 10 mil. Well, they've actually supplied Allen key headed bolts for those parts, but overall that's pretty good. Now we've just got to get it painted. And a bunch of other stuff's arrived too. Finally my fog light scoops have turned up, so I'll be fitting them in the next few days. I accidentally got sent a set of Fn2, we just dropped that one, canards by mistake, so we might as well fit them. I'm not a big fan of them, but we'll put them on anyway. And I've nearly got the dash finished off. I'll just show you what it looks like inside now with the gauges up there. I think it looks heaps better. Whenever this screen doesn't work, I hate driving around. Let's just take the key out. Now still got a beep. Let's just turn that all off. Yeah, I'd rather have the gauges up there. At least I've got something to look at. I haven't hooked them up yet. That's my next job. And yeah, so I'm pretty happy with how they look. They look pretty cool actually, driving to work for the last few days. And that's about it. So yeah, so at least we're going to get some work started on the Fn2. It's been sort of sitting for a little while. It's looking pretty cool. I'm still going to do a review video on it. I just haven't got around to, with the restrictions and everything like that. At least they're all starting to lift now, which is good. And I wanted to have the spoiler on and have it painted before I did a review video on it as well. So anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give us a like if you're interested with what I'm doing. And we'll catch you on the next video, which hopefully will only be in a couple of days time, like maybe next Tuesday or Wednesday. I should be able to look at getting that painted and start getting the scoops and the brake ducting done on it as well. No worries, catch you then, bye.